Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Pokemon TCG Pocket, a game that offers something for everyone, from collectors to competitive battlers. In this video, we'll focus on the best decks to build when starting out and some strategies to get you into the game. We've been playing Pokemon TCG Pocket for over a week now, and the PvP has definitely captured our attention. To help you get started, here are three powerful decks that are not only beginner friendly, but also solid in the current meta. These decks will help you understand the mechanics of battling while giving you a strong edge in matches. Pikachu EX and Zapdos EX deck. This deck features a quick damage setup and includes Voltorb and Electrode. Voltorb can hold the line until you draw Pikachu EX or Zapdos EX. Electrode's ability to retreat without energy is invaluable, especially against opponents using cards like the Sabrina Supporter card, which forces you to switch active Pokemon. Adding the red card to disrupt opponents' strategies is optional, but can be effective, particularly if they're building towards a Stage 2 Pokemon. Pikachu EX with Raichu deck. For players who prefer more consistent and higher damage, this deck adds Raichu along with Magnemite and Magneton. Magneton ensures a steady energy supply for Raichu, and using the Lieutenant Surge Supporter card allows you to transfer energy efficiently. It's a great option for minimizing RNG while maintaining powerful attacks. Mewtwo EX deck. This deck is centered around building Gardevoir for consistent high damage attacks. Mewtwo EX can deal solid damage even as you set up Gardevoir, making it versatile and effective. While the reliance on Stage 2 Gardevoir adds a bit of RNG, the deck's payoff is worth it. It's one of the easiest to use and incredibly rewarding once fully built. These three decks, Pikachu EX and Zapdos EX, Pikachu EX with Raichu, and Mewtwo EX, are excellent starting points for anyone new to the game. They provide a balance of power, strategy, and learning opportunities. We'll cover more advanced strategies, including Stage 2 decks, RNG-focused decks, and counter strategies in upcoming videos. If you have any questions or suggestions for what you'd like to see next, let us know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated.